Hi, my name is Mrs.Pimentel, and I am working with a group at Lynn Fripps Elementary on Raspberry Pi. And we've called our group Inspire with the P-I capital. Classroom computing. We are working with this little single board computer called Raspberry Pi, and we've had one lesson so far. In the one lesson I handed out a questionnaire with a variety of questions, everything from what is a computer to if you were a computer programmer, what would you create? Do you like working with computers? Do you know what Scratch is, which is a computer program? I also put a little image of the Raspberry Pi on here, and they had to look at the acronyms and try to guess, take an educated guess on what those words meant and what they did. My original thought was that there would be excitement in the class, but I never really realized there was going to be such great enthusiasm. Some of the questions that came out was, when are we doing this next? We're going to be doing this every Wednesday afternoon for about 40 to 45 minutes. I wanted to read to you some of the questions that I asked and some of the answers. So one question was, what is a Raspberry Pi? The student said, a type of dessert. This student, one of the questions was, again, the same thing. What is a Raspberry Pi? I think it's the place where everything is connected in a computer. Motherboard of motherboards. How do you think a computer works? Maybe by the wires inside, otherwise I have no clue. So I asked the students to really be honest on the questions, and when they read the questions, how they would answer them. How do you think a computer works? I think when you press the on button on your computer, it sends a signal to your computer and starts the computer. A number of the students just wrote, I don't know, to a lot of the questions, which was great because that's what I asked them. If they didn't know, just to write, I don't know, and just to be honest. And if they wanted to take an educational guess, that would be great. This was an interesting response. The question was, do you like working with computers? And the student said, not really, because every time I use one, something goes wrong with it. So a lot of blank answers, but what's exciting is that they're embarking on this new project, Raspberry Pi, and one grade 7 boy came up to me after and said, can I get the terminology? Can you give me a copy of the terminology for all the different parts of the Raspberry Pi? And then today, which is Friday, I went into the class again, and one of the students ran up to me and said, I just bought a Raspberry Pi. So it's just neat to see the enthusiasm and the excitement around this, and we're really excited. We're really excited. So this is my first video, and just reflections on lesson 1, and that's September 2013. And yeah, until next time, if you have any questions or comments, I'll be posting some of the comments that the students wrote on my blog, but feel free to ask them. We don't have all the answers yet, and I don't know if we ever will, but it's an exciting adventure. Thank you very much.